Good morning, YouTube. Wow, that was my John Hill impression. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today should be a doozy of a day in the life. Exciting things planned. First, I need to handle this. Clearly, it's become too much for me to upkeep. Then, grab Richie. Hopefully he's home. Hopefully we can get some skateboarding done. After that, swim, barbecue, fireworks. You guys know how these day in the lives go. They can be unpredictable and they can be exciting. So stay tuned. Meow. My hair not only looks better, in my opinion, but it feels better. I feel like the temperature just dropped. It was 108 outside, now it's only 92 on my head. So, let's go grab Richie. That's where that lady got killed last week. That's where she fucking died. But I'm good, bitch. The Trump went, and all of a sudden. People were here.
People were here at the house. Got my face fucking
Doom and Dumbass.
Dude, I hope Tony Chio's kid falls off that fucking man and breaks his arm. Hey, look at your little fucking GoPro sock. What I say? Let's go.
I'm out here trying to film trick tips with Richie. It was going pretty decent, and then I got my shin super, not even hard, just so perfect that it got me like, my shin won't even, like, I can't do that correctly. So, next I think we'll check out Ed's house, barbecue, and maybe swim. Before we go to Ed's, I had to come home and cool down. I was dying at Richie's. There's no AC. I skated in the sun. My shin hurts. So I'm gonna play some Mario, relax, show you guys how to get this cannon open the easiest way. So pay attention. Jump in this hole. Where? What the? Get in the fucking hole. There we. You know what? Watch this shit though. Show you guys some shit you didn't know about this game. Check this shit out right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a long jump. He's out of here. And we are gonna get on this roof. And that's how you do it. See what I'm saying, guys? I'm a fucking beast at this game and no one knows. Get this little one up, that's all it's really good for. Come down here, talk to your boy. Open up the cannon, you little bitch. Clearly, I can't be stopped at Mario. I'm an unstoppable force of nature. I'm about to pull up to Ed's. Who knows what we're gonna find? You gonna beat me at what?
64 or cart, B. Smoke you in either one.
What the hell you got there? Fucking awesome.
Party's here, people. I made it. What's up, everybody? Day in the life.
Hey, what's
Oh,
up? What's up? Look at this, my baby.
Oh, you made it.
What the fuck is that? Flowers.
Oh my God.
Because he has like a whole garden back there. If you look over the wall, he has like a...
But if you can fucking beat Franny on her fucking 1200, Little Harley.
Play number 2, people.
What up, Little Harley?
You're doing shots and shit. Good Lord.
Firework time.
Sex with your mouth. You better put that in one of your videos, because I really will have sex.
You're gonna have sex with my mouth.
With your mouth. Well, I'll take it to dinner, but not you, just the mouth.
Just the mouth. Well, that's the only part of me that can eat. and suck.
Let's face it, we're not going anywhere where we're eating.
Franny was trying to like the whole shit. She was like,
Oh, it's about to go down. Oh shit.
Go down right now.
Spin though. Oh! That way. Woo! You don't care. Woo! It's going up. Alright, last one's going to Kwame. Ready? Oh, that's all you got? Oh, sorry. Hell yeah. That's what Will Smith died for. People. Ah!
Oh, watch out now. Third degree burn.
Run! Yes, Frank.
fuck yeah, dude.
4th of July. What?
Hey, that was the shit, dude. That was the shit.
She don't give a fuck.
I'm talking about zapping him, not me, motherfucker. What'd you say? Fuck the zap?
I said fuck the zap, just that if you'll pay me to shit myself, I'll do that.
You do that anyway.
Fuck you. Taste that. I think this is one she didn't finish it, but see, just to see if you like it.
Bartender?
Hello.
I'm strong as shit.
Okay, no. This is hers.
Oh, okay.
But it's what I'm gonna make you right now.
Well, guys, we had a fun time at Ed's. We're gonna call it a night here. Hope you guys enjoyed another day in the life of Ninja. Until next time, Kuna Matata, bitches.